Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we are doing a unboxing, first impression on the brand of Xerjoff, and this one is Luxor. I do like to discover hype beast from these type of brands that like to use influencers. You know, I did an unboxing of Cruz del Sur 2 last week, Herba Pura. But at the same time, I like to go back to my roots and blind buy and discover something a little more hidden, a little more different, a little more maybe my taste. I'm always open-minded on these hype beasts, and sometimes I like to get the bottles and just do my own testing, right? That's the best way of doing it. You shouldn't do what I do, like blind buy these things. They can get pretty expensive, but I'm rolling the dice and hoping the best with this one. This one's fairly expensive. It's from their Oud Stars collection. At worst, I have a very nice bottle here. At best, I've discovered a new Xerjoff and maybe rekindle that love that I had back in the day when I unboxed Xerjoff. Beautiful leather, probably one of their best releases. Richwood, I have the OG bottle. I love it. Richwood is simplistic but beautiful. This one isn't too hard to find online, but I definitely like to go the discounter route with Xerjoffs, and this one can be found on Fragrance X. Speaking about Fragrance X, they are a sponsor of the day, and I did want to take the time to thank them for Luxor. You can get a bottle of this on their site. A lot of Xerjoff is on their site. Check out Fragrance X, support me by utilizing coupon code ROBES08 in their coupon section. You get 15% off for your purchase. And it doesn't have to be this, it can be something cheaper, it can be a mega haul, whatever. So let's unbox this thing, and there's a lot to unbox in these Xerjoffs. They have multiple boxes, so I'm gonna start unboxing and I'm gonna be talking. So this is part of their Oud Stars collection, so it is obviously gonna have some oud, but the thing that really intrigued me was that I think people were saying that this is an incense-based fragrance from Xerjoff, that it has some incense and some, oh, the box is a little opened, which is, gotta be cautious. Don't know where the video stopped, but it stopped during unboxing, but basically the box was a little opened, and I unboxed it and everything's okay. There was no leakage or anything like that, which is always good. So yeah, this hasn't been sprayed. So this is beautiful. The bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I love the detail, love it. All right, now it's time to sniff this one out. Let's see what I get. I'm gonna do a couple sprays. Oh, some spice, and there's like a little bit of fruity, that Cambodian oud, coming up with that fruitiness. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is very good. Yes, they definitely have brought their A game with this release. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, there's a honeyed sweetness to this fragrance. Cambodian oud does come out a little sweet. It is very dry as a fragrance. It has a honeyed sweetness. It has a lot of spices. Not barnyardy, not oudy, honestly. Tobacco, yeah, honeyed tobacco. With some heavy incense. Some really good sweetness from that Cambodian oud, like almost like a berried sweetness, but it has like almost like a cooked berry, almost type of sweetness. Yeah, so incense based, has some sweetness. Really good churchy incense in here, really good. Oh, yeah. It's got some pine. It's got some greenness to it. I don't know if there's any green nuances in this or patchouli or something like that. Very much some spicy aspects. So at the end of the day, very good release from the brand of Xerjoff, at least from initial impression. This is very, very good. It's got some sweetness. It's got some smoke from the incense. It's got some tobacco nuances. The oud is very much light here. I know Cambodian does give that berryness, that sweetness that you can get from fragrances. So Cambodian Oud does do that. But as far as animalic, fecal type of stuff, no, none at all. This is as smooth as it can get. And again, I have more of an experienced nose, so things like incense and tobacco and things like that, they don't bother me. They're just good. So yeah, tobacco, it has a lot going on, and that's what I like. Very complex off the top. I'm getting multiple things here, and I'm trying to figure out which one is. I think the incense, like what a lot of people were saying, was the incense was the main factor. There's that cinnamon bite though, very, very nice. So at the end of the day, this one right here, Luxor, I can't wait to get to know you better. That's all I can say. I love the complexity of it. I love it, and it has a lot of moving parts. It's dark, it's rich, it's beautiful. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. And again, you know, I got good taste. I know how to I know how to blind buy them. You know, that's one thing that you got that gut feeling, even with brands like this, that, you know, people are hyping Herbo Pura, Cruz del Sur. I'd rather have this, honestly, in my collection. That's just me. This stuff is good. I wouldn't say mind-blowing. You know, this initial impression, it's going to go for an 8, 9, or a 10, perfect 10 club. It will go for those numbers. I can sense it. Very well done, very well composed from the brand of Xerjoff. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Let us know what you think. Good, bad, and the ugly. Always a fan to see different comments. And again, you can pan this, you can love it. I'm not looking for cosigns in my videos in the comments. I'm not. I don't need anybody cosigning my own taste. I really, really don't. But if you have the same taste as me, I would recommend this one. From Xerjoff? Oh yeah. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.